Hey, good morning everybody. I just went on coupons.com. I'm on the Swagbucks website because I gotta get it in a habit to print off coupons from this website, because every coupon you print you get $1, and then it takes up to a couple weeks to get those, or a couple days to get that 1 point. But then you also get a 10 points. It says grocery store, supermarket, but I don't know. I just went on here and I saw that they either reset more coupons or they added more coupons, because right here they have the 350, which I just printed off the other day, but then I saw a $6 off of 2, which I never got those coupons, so I wanted to print off those. And then they also have a BOGO. Oh, I pushed the button. They have a BOGO of 1 Clear Age Defy, and then they also have another BOGO, so that is a great coupon to print. I didn't even look. I was so excited to share with you guys other coupons that I found. But I'm going to print off this copper tone one because I saw a deal that I want to do. Here we have $1 off of Sprees, or Sweet Tarts, candy galore. So $2 off of the Tart Ropes, and then, or Nerds, and then, yeah, I'm just going crazy, you guys. Just going crazy over candy. And it's loading. My internet's a little slow. Got pepperoni I saw, Scrubs, Raid. Those are new coupons since yesterday, I swear, I think. Let's see what else I got. And my camera's about to die, so let's see if I can get this for you guys. Activia, I don't think that was there yesterday. And I'm probably going to do another video tomorrow because it is the beginning of the new month. So definitely print off these coupons because most likely they might reset tomorrow. It's hard to say, but I'm just going to show you guys more coupon deals before my computer dies. That might be it. Sorry, I'm trying to look through my screen and then look and see what other coupons I can print for you guys. Just want to help you guys out. Okay. Nothing. Okay, that might be it for the coupons because I printed a bunch, but definitely print these because they might reset tomorrow if they're really high value coupons. Sometimes I always see them reset. Let's just keep going down. So yeah, these are the ones I printed yesterday and they didn't reset, but they might reset tomorrow. So I just wanted to oh, there's that one. Sweet, they added another one. It's like a double whammy. So just wanted to share with you guys coupons to print, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.